Welcome to Top Tech Picks YouTube channel. I'm going to show you the best stand mixer for your kitchen. I know how important it is to have a good stand mixer in your kitchen. There are so many brands out there that it can be hard to find the right one for you. In this video, I'll break down what features are most important when buying a new stand mixer and give you some recommendations on which ones are worth your money. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 6. Cuisinart SM525 Quart Stand Mixer. Cuisinart's SM50 mixers are the perfect kitchen companion. With a powerful 500-watt motor, 12 speeds, and a 5.5-quart stainless steel bowl, you can whip up everything from cookies to bread dough in no time at all. The Cuisinart SM50 is available in both white and silver colors with an easy tilt back head for easy access to the mixing bowl. Also included is a whisk, dough hook, and flat mixing paddle for your convenience. An excellent choice for those looking to save money. The Cuisinart SM50 5.5 quart stand mixer is a fantastic option, whether you're just starting out or an expert baker who wants nothing less than perfection in their kitchen. This high-quality appliance features metal construction and 500 watts of power with 12 different speeds available through dial adjustment. Perfect if whisking together ingredients can be too much work on one hand, while simultaneously weighing flour into bowls using another utensil at precisely measured times as needed without error. Number 5. KitchenAid KSM150 SAC Artisan Series 5 QT Stand Mixer. The KitchenAid KSM150 SAC Artisan Series 5-quart stand mixer in Empire Red is the perfect tool for any baker. This mixer features a 10-speed slide control that ranges from a very fast whip to a very slow stir, and it comes with 3 attachments: flat beater, dough hook, and wire whip. The power hub turns your stand mixer into a culinary center with more than 15 optional attachments available. The unit includes an ergonomic handle and polished chrome accents on the bowl and accessories for an attractive look. Available in multiple colors. A KitchenAid Artisan Series 5-quart stand mixer is a kitchen classic, designed with 10 speeds and powerful motor to easily whip ingredients. The machine has an innovative hub that transforms it into more than just your average stand mixer for a variety of uses, including ice cream maker, pasta spiralizer. Coming in 47 color options, this large-size appliance measures 14 long by 8.5 wide, 1,375 high, making them substantial, but also comes at 26 pounds, so don't let their weight discourage you from buying one if they meet all requirements. Number 4. Hamilton Beach Electric Stand Mixer. Hamilton Beach's stand mixer is the perfect addition to any kitchen. It performs better than 2-beater stand mixers and is a great alternative for those who want to save money on KitchenAid but don't want to sacrifice performance. The mixing action is similar to KitchenAid, with 7 speeds and a mixing guide that help you create delicious recipes from scratch. The mixer includes a splash guard, dough hook, whisk, and flat beater, so you can bake all kinds of goodies. This mixer also has complete bowl coverage, so you can mix hands-free. The Hamilton Beach Pick was one of the most affordable models we tested, and it earned high scores in nearly every evaluation. Our kitchen appliance pros found this appliance's ability to both whip delicate egg whites into stiff peaks, as well as knead bread dough quickly and evenly, made for an impressively versatile tool. Perfect if you're looking not only at making meringues or baking cookies, but also tackling more ambitious projects like pie crusts. It comes with multiple attachments so all your dishes can get dirty while still being fully cleaned after use. They even go straight onto any dishwasher-safe surface without having first been washed by hand due to their flexible design that allows them fit tightly against uneven surfaces such. Number 3. Dash Stand Mixer. Electric mixer for everyday use. The Dash Stand Mixer is your perfect kitchen accessory, whether you're an occasional baker or a full-time chef. Its compact size and 6 speeds make it easy to use for everything from mixing frosting to kneading bread dough. The fully tilting motor head makes removing the mixing bowl and ejecting the beaters quick and mess-free. This versatile mixer features 2 dough hooks, 2 beater blades, a 3 QT stainless steel mixing bowl, and comes backed by a 1-year manufacturer warranty. The Dash Stand Mixer is perfect for those who want an affordable and space-saving kitchen appliance. Offering 6 speeds with its 2.5-quart stainless steel bowl, This stove model comes complete with 2 dough hooks and beaters, so you can whip up cookie dough or even small cakes. It makes a great gift too. College students will love it as their first baking device, while friends getting into cooking would enjoy using the powerful motor in whipped cream making tasks like angel food cake on special occasions, which they may never take lightly. Number 2. Hamilton Beach 6-Speed Electric Stand Mixer. Hamilton Beach 6-Speed Electric Stand Mixer with planetary mixing action. 3. 5-quart stainless steel bowl and tilt-up head. Black. The Hamilton Beach 6-Speed Electric Stand Mixer with planetary mixing action offers a unique mixing action that rotates the beaters around the bowl as it mixes. This eliminates the need to stop and scrape down the sides of your bowl, so you can spend more time cooking instead of cleaning up. The stainless steel bowl holds 1/2 quarts, making it perfect for baking large batches of cookies or brownies. The Pro Mixer is designed to give you professional results at a price that makes it feasible for every kitchen. It comes pre-programmed with 6 speeds, including one specifically tailored towards making whipped cream and other delicate sauces without overworking them into submission. You can also choose from 3 different bowl sizes: 1 liter, 3 quarts, 2 liters, 6 QT, or 4L/5 QT, which will be perfect if your recipe requires both thick batter mix as well as Salmenko Fitness food batter. With its non-slip feet, its dynamic balance gyroscope technology ensures stability while working through even the most challenging ingredient combinations. Number 1. Wolf Gourmet High Performance Stand Mixer. Wolf Gourmet High Performance Stand Mixer, 7-quart, candy apple red. Superpower, super performance. The Wolf Gourmet Stand Mixer is the perfect kitchen companion for every level of cook and baker. It features a powerful motor that delivers superior mixing performance and a bowl lift design that makes it easy to adjust the bowl height for better control over mixing speed and specialty attachment area that add food processing versatility, such as meat grinding. The mixer comes with an all-metal drive system and a stainless steel bowl designed to handle large batches of cookies, red dough, or other. Wolf's new stand mixer is the perfect way to wow your friends and family with its high-quality construction. The stainless steel finish will make any kitchen look professional, while also remaining durable enough for years' worth of uses. This machine can knead thick bread doughs without sacrificing power or performance. It comes equipped from 7 quarts bowl capacity, all-inclusive 500-watt motor that has been powerful enough in our testing so far, and we're confident you'll love using this baby. You won't have trouble achieving stellar results when working on anything food-related either, because there are tons more accessory options available should anything else come up during cooking time.